This should be a pretty short video on purging Auto Fence Builder. So if this is your first time through and you're just doing your first couple holes, most likely, well, I know you don't have Auto Fence Builder. It is a paid asset. You're gonna know if you've got it. I think it's like 30 bucks in the Unity store. It's really good for making like long fences, things that you need to repeat. So this isn't Rock Creek that I have been showing you guys up to this point. This is Hershey Links. And in this course, you can see that I got these like little retaining fences that I used Auto Fence Builder for. Came in really handy. I can just kind of click and move these and put it around the course. So you can see here's a really long couple ones. So these were fences that I built. So if you decide that you're going to use this asset at some point, you want to get in the habit of purging it before you build. And what do I mean by that? So here's Auto Fence Builder installed, and I got to wait for it to come up over here in the inspector. So while that's loading, um, it what it does is there are a ton of fences available. So look at all this stuff. I mean, these are all the different fences it has available. For some reason, and I don't know the rationale behind that, if you were to build your course without purging or unloading these unused assets, your build file would be a couple gig in size because all the fences, whether using them or not, get loaded up. So all you have to do is go to Auto Fence Builder, go to its inspector, scroll all the way to the bottom, okay? And you'll see this little tab under globals called Refresh Unload, okay? I don't know why I call it Purge, but you're just gonna hit Unload Unused Assets. Bang, okay? You have unloaded all your used assets, and now you would do your build, right? It's as simple as that. But I just want to make sure you guys know if you get Auto Fence Builder, which hasn't been a part of the course so far, you need to do this.